Hi guys, I'm Varun and today we're going to be doing a classic recipe of crepes. So crepes is generally can be served in a sweet form or a savory form. Generally we are more connected to the sweet form of crepes filled with cream and fruits and something like that. So today I'm going to be doing a savory version of it. The point of this video is to show you guys how to make a basic crepe at home, and just to take it to another level, I'm going to stuff it with some broccoli and cheddar. It's a brilliant classic combination that goes really well with crepes and everything. So it's got like paper thin crepes that have been stuffed with a broccoli and cheddar stuffing that have been rolled and then topped with some more cheese, some smoked paprika and some hot sauce and finished in the oven. So let's check out this classic recipe, and it's gonna be really informative for you guys who want to try to make crepes at home, that generally have had it at restaurants or at cafes and want to try it at home. So let's check out the recipe.